Home is where we gather and play. Where stories are shared. It's a place where we laugh, sing, and express our true selves. True luxury isn't about impressing others. It's about being yourself. Imagine architecture transformed into art. A walk-in closet reminiscent of my childhood in the United States. Inviting me to a playful dress-up party with Kylie. A spacious home where Hayden can indulge in a joyride. The gym provides me time for relaxation, while smart home automation, from lighting to security, ensures our safety, providing peace of mind for the family. Every day, I am grateful for a home that grows with us, where ordinary moments feel extraordinary.